So this is totally stock. Stock rates everything. And wish it had a little more camera angle. Could definitely go faster, but I'm just basically looking at the ground. And then I have to pull up because it wants to go into the ground. When you go full throttle, it does kind of run out of gas though. You could do some freestyle with it if you want. It does not have prop wash, which is nice. It's because it's so light probably. But I'm kind of going totally crazy on the throttle here. And we'll see how much battery we have here at the end. It's pretty fast. I think the Moblite7 is going to be even faster. And yeah, it's definitely way too fast for the small house. If you have a larger indoor space, I think you'll be okay. Small space like I have is not enough really for this guy. I mean, you're just going to be able to fly it as fast as something else that is heavier. But you'll have more flight time, that's for sure. 3.2, 3.1, 3 minutes flight. I'm gonna run it all the way down here so you guys can see what the maximum flight time is for this kind of flying. Bit more aggressive. Three. I'm starting to definitely feel some sag here, and they're definitely at the end of the battery. Now it's flashing. Oh, about 4 minutes of flight on this kind of flying on the Moblite6. So now we're flying the Moblite7. Just flying it close so you guys can hear the tune. Pretty good, it's fine. Flying everything completely stock here. And yeah, definitely need more camera angle. I can go faster for sure. You can see I'm just basically looking at the ground. It's way faster than the 6. But that makes total sense. Much bigger props, of course. I'm really just looking at the ground here. I'm kind of going pretty crazy on the throttle here. I don't think you'd fly like this indoors unless you're in a really large space. But we'll give you an idea of how much battery we'll get on a stock 650. Like full throttle here. Oh, watch out for the tree. Yeah, it gets kind of floaty if you're going full throttle. All right, that's the kind of range we got here. Yeah, RSSI is in the 50s. Oh, it's dropping there. It's about what I would expect for an SPI receiver. Not that great. Still hanging around 3.3 volts all this time. Yeah, see, not quite enough voltage to pull out of that dive. I think I'm definitely at the end of the battery at about 4 minutes. Ooh, I pulled out a little too early that time. Oh, not enough voltage to do power loops. Way too late in the battery. Yeah, I definitely need more camera angle. It's just looking at the ground here. The voltage went back up to 3.3 volts. And I think we're at the end here, 3.1. Gonna wait for the battery, low battery warning to come on. You can hear the power is just not there. It's just the sound is very different. And there we go. 2.8, about 5.5 minutes. Let me know what you guys think.